In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling text to Shopify. This is a great way to grab your customers' attention with dynamic visuals on your site. Whether it's highlighting a sale, showcasing new arrivals, or just adding a bit of flair, scrolling text can really enhance your site's appearance. So let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your site editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to modify the look and feel of your online store. You'll see the option to Add Section, and this is exactly where you'll be heading. Choose the section on your website where you'd like to add the scrolling text. Maybe it's your home page to greet visitors immediately, or perhaps a product page for emphasis. Wherever you decide, just click Add Section in that area. Now, here comes a potential snag you might encounter. Not every Shopify theme naturally supports sections for scrolling text. But don't worry, we've got a neat workaround for that. Shopify offers an AI section generator that can help us create this feature, even if it's not built into your theme. It's a fantastic tool that aids in customizing your site significantly without the need for advanced coding skills. To utilize this AI feature, simply click on the generator button. Once there, you'll need to input a prompt specifically for a scrolling text section. You might say something like, "Create a scrolling text section for my homepage." The AI will understand and begin crafting your custom section just based on that input. It's a cutting-edge solution that makes building professional features incredibly accessible. After you've entered your prompt, you just have to wait for a moment while the AI does its thing. Once it's done generating, a new scrolling text section will appear on your site editor. From there, you can click on it to get into further customization options. This is where you can change the text that scrolls, choose fonts, colors, speeds, and more. You're fully in the driver's seat when it comes to tailoring this section to match your brand's style and message. And just like that, you're all set. Adding scrolling text to your Shopify store is as easy as that. It's an excellent way to make your website more engaging and visually appealing to your customers, keeping them interested and potentially increasing your sales conversions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you elevate your Shopify site to the next level.